Hello students. So again I have come with a problem which you have asked me to solve. Okay, so this problem is capital of Ganesh Gupta in the beginning of the year was rupees 70,000. During the year his business earned a profit of rupees 20,000. He withdrew rupees 7,000 for his personal use. He sold ornaments of his wife for rupees 20,000 and invested that amount into the business. Find out the capital at the end of the year. So here at the end of the year means we need to find out the closing capital. Now end of the year means closing capital we need to find out. Okay, but here let's see the beginning of the year rupees 70,000. Beginning of the year means this is opening capital, right? Then here during the year his business earned of rupees 20,000 profit. This is profit, okay? And he withdrew 7,000 for his personal use. This 7,000 withdrew is nothing but his drawings, right? Then he sold ornaments of his wife for rupees 20,000 and invested that amount into the business, which means already we do have opening and but the extra additional capital is added here, right? How? Because he sold, Ganesh Gupta sold ornaments of his wife of rupees 20,000. Okay, so this is additional capital, right? So let's solve the problem. Okay, so to find out the net profit, we were starting up with the closing capital, then add drawings, then less additional capital and less opening capital. Then we are going to get the net profit. It was when we need to find out the profit, net profit, right? Here they have asked you the closing capital. Find out his capital at the end of the year. So closing capital, when we are solving the problem of closing capital, to find out the closing capital we need to start from opening capital. Okay, so opening capital how much? 70,000. 70,000 is opening capital. Now next we need to, earlier when we were finding out the net profit we were making less additional capital, but here we need to add the additional capital. Okay, what is the additional capital? Ornaments of his wife he has sold or invested in the business is called additional capital. So that is of rupees 20,000. So total is 90,000, right? Then again add whatever to find out net profit we were making closing capital, add drawing, less additional and less opening. Here completely opposite, we need to go for adding additional and add opening and then making the less drawing, right? So add here what they have given, profit of rupees 20,000. During the year his profit of rupees 20,000. So profit during the year is how much? 20,000. 90 plus 1 lakh 10,000, right? So here less drawings, right? Less drawings. What is drawings? He withdrew 7,000. Okay, so 7,000 less 1 lakh 10,000 minus 1 lakh 3,000 is, what is this? This is closing capital. Okay, whatever to find out net profit, we go for closing capital, less additional, less opening, and then add drawing. We do right here completely opposite. Okay, this is the problem of closing capital. Again, I'm going to solve another problem in the next video. Okay, thank you.